Welcome to Cincinnati, Ohio, a city rich in history and quirky charm. Let's dive into 10 fascinating fun facts and hot attractions that make Cincinnati a must-visit destination. Did you know that Cincinnati was the birthplace of professional baseball, with the Reds being the first ever pro team? The city is also home to the famous Music Hall, a National Historic Landmark known for its exceptional acoustics. Speaking of music, Cincinnati hosts the oldest choral festival in the world, the May Festival, since 1873. Make sure to visit the American Sign Museum, showcasing a colorful collection of vintage signs that tell the story of America's advertising past. For a touch of whimsy, head to the Dent Schoolhouse, a haunted house attraction set in a real former school building. Explore Over the Rhine, a trendy neighborhood bursting with history, shops, and delicious eateries. Don't miss the John A. Roebling Suspension Bridge, a precursor to the Brooklyn Bridge, offering stunning views of the Ohio River. History buffs will love the Harriet Beecher Stowe House, where the author penned Uncle Tom's Cabin. Lastly, experience a hidden gem at the Cincinnati Observatory, the oldest professional observatory in the United States still in use. Cincinnati blends history, humor, and charm seamlessly, inviting you to uncover its delightful surprises.